Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the magnetic cable from NetDot. And what this is something that's extremely similar to the video I made last week, which I'll have linked right up here. But this one is specifically for smartphones and tablets and other smaller, not very power hungry devices. So as you can see, here's a little picture of the cable itself, and then there's three different heads. There's one for micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C. On the side they have little boxes that they'll check off for different color options. They didn't check off any for mine. And then on the other side it says data syncing, both side charging, fast charging, and patents protected. And then they have little check boxes to indicate which heads you got. I know I got all three heads because I've opened this before, so I didn't get skimped and get a empty box sent to me. But jumping into the box, you'll find these little plastic baggies. There's a third one in here. And in each of these little plastic baggies is a cable. As you can see, it says NetDot right there. And I'm going to open one up right here. As you can see, it comes with a little cable Velcro thing. We'll unwind it. As you can see here are the three charging heads, but I'm going to take those off for a second. The cables that I got are 3.3 feet or 1 meter. They do have an option for 5-foot cables. The cables are braided, as I said before. They do come in many different colors. If you want to get one to match your iPhone, they have one for pretty much every color of iPhone out there. If you want to get one to match your Android device, I'm sure you can make something work. The little Velcro loop is removable, so if you're someone like me that doesn't really like to have these on, you can take them off if you want, and then you're just left with the cable itself. So putting the cable itself down for a second, let's take a look at the charging heads. As you can see, we have one here for micro USB. Most Android devices and mostly anything that's not an iOS device. We have a Lightning charging head for Lightning devices. And then we have one for USB Type-C for newer Android phones such as the S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, Pixel 2. And the way this works is you take the cable, and what you do is you plug this part into your device. You take the cable and it will magnetically attract to the head. So this is essentially MagSafe for your mobile devices. And when plugged in and there's power supplied to it, you'll see there's a little green light that lights up that doesn't do anything for charging status. That just tells you that there is power being supplied to the charger. To demonstrate how this works, I have my iPad right here, and I have the Lightning charging head, and I'm going to take that and put that in my Lightning port. As you can see, it doesn't really add too much to the device. If you have certain cases, this will obviously be a burden. But I have a power bank turned on, plugged in off to the side of the screen. I'm going to take the cable. As you can see, it starts charging, and if I take it, flip the cable over, it still charges. I have the other two cables here plugged in, and that charges. Flip it over, that still charges. And then the third cable charges, flip it over, charges. So it's not one cable that you're limited to, as long as you have all of the same cables within the same product generation. They'll work with anything. And for the other plugs, I have my Clamcase Pro keyboard case for my iPad. I'm gonna plug in the micro USB charging head. I'm gonna flip the keyboard over. I'm going to plug it in. As you can see, there is a little light indicating that it's charging. If I unplug it, flip it around, it still charges. I have my iJoy headphones that I like to use to edit with. Again, micro USB head, and the cable plugs in, charging. Because I don't have any other devices other than my MacBook that run off of USB Type-C, I have my wireless intelligent charger hub from WMZ. Plug it in, there's power being supplied to it. If I take my Mophie juice pack, you can see it charges the juice pack, which I can also take the cable to and charge it with the wire. So by now you should get the idea that these things are extremely versatile, and that's why I love them. I've used products similar to this in the past. I have one actually right here just off screen. It's from a different company, same idea though. And I love being able to have one cable that can charge my iOS devices, my headphones, my keyboards, even wireless chargers. It's not my favorite method of charging. That is obviously wireless charging, as I have wireless accessories everywhere. I have a case on this iPhone that you're watching this on. I have my wireless AirPods somewhere around here, but that's not important. For 3 of these with 3 USB Type-C heads, 3 micro USB heads, and 3 lightning heads, on Amazon it's listed currently at $19.43, which is pretty incredible if you ask me, considering that you're buying 3 cables that can charge 9 different devices. So in essence, you're buying 9 different cables for about $2 a piece. They're braided, they're magnetic, they match the color of your device. Because the head of the cable is magnetic, you can stick it to the USB plug, and that makes it a lot easier for storing it. But there you guys have it. That is my unboxing and review of the NetDot magnetic charging cable. You can buy these in packs of 2 or packs of 3. As always, I'll have these linked down below in the description. If you like this type of video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on notifications, so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. And until the next video, guys, goodbye.